case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
The case of Goodis v. United Artists Television, Inc., heard in 1970 by the United States Court of Appeals for the Second Circuit, revolved around contentious issues of copyright protection and assignment. Particularly, it questioned whether a magazine publisher, having bought rights to serialize a novel before its book form release, could claim copyright. Previously, the district court had ruled against the magazine, mistakenly understanding the arrangement as a mere license which did not qualify the magazine as an assignee, consequently denying it copyright protection. It overlooked the virtue of the doctrine of indivisibility of copyright, which echoes that copyright assignees or proprietors must hold all rights of a copyrighted work, and partial assignments were not allowed. The secondary analysis focused on the relationship between an author and a collective work's copyright ownership. A key point of contention was whether the author can claim a separate copyright of a work included in a collective project. An appeal was launched, urging for a reinterpretation of the contract's language and clauses. The decision of the appeals court reversed the district court's verdict, standing by the publisher's right to copyright protection on the basis of prospective serialization, even if the magazine was granted only the right for a one-time serialization. Further, it ruled that an author of a literary work published in a collective work does, indeed, hold a separate copyright, distinguishing it from that of the collective work. The court upheld the valid copyright acquisition by the publisher on behalf of author Goodis, granting him the authority to sustain an action for infringement. However, the court observed a gap in the previous decision concerning sequels of the novel and how they fell within this contractual context. That point, having been raised for the first time during the appeal, led the court to remand the case for a thorough examination. Directly related to this was the determination of whether the broadcasting of The Fugitive, a television series in which the novel was featured, was within the rights granted by the contract, given that the term motion picture was deemed broad enough for inclusion. Thus, the case was sent back for further proceedings.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.